Hello friends, welcome to our YouTube channel. In this video I'm going to show you how you can take a slow motion video in Realme smartphone. Before watching this video, if you have not subscribed to our YouTube channel, then subscribe it and like our video. So let's start friends. First you have to open the camera. Here you can see when you just go for more, and here it is a more option. Click on more option, and here it is a slow-mo option. Click on that option, and here it is like shooting well. I choose this like this. I show you. Click on that button and it is start recording like this. And friends, you can see it is in slow motion right now. I hope you like this video. If you like this video, then subscribe to our YouTube channel for more helpful tips and tricks videos. Thanks for watching.